Okay, so this time I've got factorised 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 23x plus 12, given that x plus 3 is a factor. So again, we're going to expect it to be 3 brackets. So the first bracket I know is x plus 3 because of the given factor. So we've got to work out then what the other 2 brackets are. But just as I explained in the first video, when you've got 2 brackets here, when you expand them, you're going to end up with a quadratic here, yeah? You have something x squared, x, and a constant. Now in this case, I know what's going to be at the start. I know it's going to be 2x squared, okay? I know that. In the first video, it was just x squared, wasn't it? But in this video, it's going to be 2x squared. And the reason why is, when I multiply the firsts together here, x times 2x squared is 2x cubed, which is exactly what I've got over here. So there's a little sort of trick to this. Every time, whatever is in front of the x cubed must go in front of the x squared here. So if it's a 2 here, there's a 2 there. If it's a 3 here, there's going to be a 3 here. Okay, so that always works. And the reason why, of course, when you expand, when you multiply out, you get the 2x cubed. Plus then bx, okay, plus c. Okay, so we're going to work out what the b and c are. And the first thing is we look at the constant, okay. The constant on the left hand side, the constant here is 12. The constant here you get by multiplying the lasts together, yeah? Okay? Because that's the only term when you multiply that doesn't involve x. So 3 times c. So 12 on this side, and on this side you get 3 times c, which is 3c. So then from there you can divide, so I don't need to write c there, you can take the 3 over and divide, okay? And you get c then equal to 12 divided by 3, which is equal to 4. So straight away then we worked out our c. Okay, then we look at x squared. Now in this case, in front of the x squared, there's a minus 3. So we're going to put minus 3 here, okay, in front of the x squared. Let's see how we get x squared from here. Now think about what I need to multiply the x by to get x squared. Well, it'll be x times that middle term there, yeah? Because x times bx will be bx squared. So bx squared, you can have b in front. And then also the first here, okay, or the last with the first here. So 3 times 2x squared is 6x squared, so it'll be plus 6. So you then get minus 3 equals b plus 6, minus 3, minus 6 equals to b. If you take that over, so that means then b is equal to minus 9. So you've got your b, you've got your c. So x plus 3, 2x squared, minus 9x, because b is minus 9, plus then your c, which is 4. So all you've got to do then is try and factorise this then, this last pair of brackets, okay? And your choice of how you do this, there's lots of ways of factorising quadratic. You could, the way we've done it before, is place 2x in each bracket and then multiply 2 then by the n number there, 4. So 2 times 4 is 8, and we need a pair of numbers that multiply to give 8 and add up to give minus 9. Well, that's easy, isn't it? Because you just got 1 and 8 multiplied to give 8, and if you make them both minus, that will add up to give minus 9 and multiply to give positive 8. So we've got minus 1 and minus 8. But remember, with this method, you must then, because we times by 2 at the start, you must divide by 2. And you can see then which bracket we can divide by 2. Well, the first bracket you don't touch. The second bracket, though, we can divide by 2. And you get then your solution. So x plus 3, 2x minus 1, x minus 4 is your cubic factorisation of this. It doesn't matter the order of the brackets, they could be any way around. And we're done.